Titan Industries has just completed 25 years. So we said this was a milestone year for us where we could do something for the employees. And it was quite a good coincidence that Stepathlon came along. And we said it ties in very well with this whole intention we had of bringing our employees together and doing something in this 25th year of existence. Actually, it's done wonders on that front. We have about 840 participants spread across 18 locations. So what we've done is to tie it in with the 25th year of the company. We have 25 groups, which then formulate or drop down to the number of teams in the company. And so what we've selected people in each team from different locations and divisions. So it's helping a lot in integrating. People are working together, walking together as part of one team. And it's a good talking point, right? When you go to the canteen, people are over lunch saying, how much is your team done, how much is, and all the blogs which are coming up. So it's quite an interesting event, and it's helping us a lot. Quite a lot. The participation levels are quite high, and I see that from what I understand, most of the people are also uploading their steps. So constantly people are, in fact, I've heard of cases where people are calling up their team members and saying, we are lagging behind, so why don't you walk a little extra and why don't you take a walk after dinner kind of thing. And so it's quite interesting. Yes, we have. Like I was saying, we have a large number of teams. I was looking at the top 10 teams and I was seeing that out of the top 10 teams that we have, the top 7 teams are from our factories. So we have factories in Hosur, we have factories in Pantnagar, Dehradun, and those guys are so excited because they are also, they are remotely located. They are in some sense cut off from the headquarters which is in Bangalore or the main factory which is in Hosur. So this is one way of bringing them together so they see themselves participating in one movement which is across the company. And most of our winning teams or the top teams are from the factories. Those guys are really excited about this. It certainly has. From whatever I was reading the other day, I think the number of, in the very first year of its existence in India, there are a large number of companies which have begun to participate for a simple reason that today I think the lifestyle of all people, all employees is so sedentary that it doesn't give enough time to spend time walking around, moving and all of that. So this can become a movement.